So just going from the pencil sketch to the pen and ink rendering, and then just a sample of the watercolor, kind of monochromatic with orange. So the impatience of the drawing again with the circular part, the center line, the nose kind of extended out, so it still has the egg shape beginning, and then trying to sketch out the eyes to give it a little bit more expression right away. Penciling that in. So again, you can keep the pencil kind of loose just as the beginning, whether it's in graphite or whether it's a tablet illustration. Kind of building that up. The stick figure for the arms, the hands. Remember the mitten pieces are hidden and tucked away on this one. Pen and ink microns or a brush. And if you think of this also on the computer using the lab brush tool or the pen tool, or the brushes with the ink under artistic, are going to give you the same type of line quality with the pen and ink on the brush. Kind of building that up. So even if you start off with some textured lines, you can always cover them up with a solid stroke, which is happening here a little bit. And just using a little bit of the breaking up of the outside line just to give it some texture. And then you can go over it with a heavier line sometime to cover some of it up. Keeps it kind of basic. A little bit of shading and cross-hatching, or just straight hatch lines. Let it dry first before you take off any of the graphite if you're going to paint it, or use mixed media. So going from the pen drawing to the paint, and just kind of painting it with a simple wash and watercolor, transparency coming through the paper. Filling that in with a second tone. Still staying a little more monochromatic on this one. You can always soften the edges with clean water if it comes out too hard. Kind of blend it in a little bit. Trying to keep the light of the paper as long as you can, because you can never get back to that clear spot.